Hello, welcome to Paths Academy YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the Wigman who is going to assist you to build your automations. So just give your generalized text and that will convert into your workflows in the UiPath Studio web. So for this, you need to be a part of Insider program because this is still under the private preview, and you can get private previews only if you are registered or signed up for the Insider. And let us see how you can get your Insider account and how you can access the products of UiPath or features which are in the preview before they are coming out for the general availability. And this Wigman is going to guide you, and even though you are a business user who doesn't even know the technical things and who doesn't even know the studio or who doesn't even know UiPath, they just can give their words what actually they want, and that will be converted to the UiPath Studio workflows, and we can just do the configurations in order to execute our workflow or in order to achieve your tasks. So without no further delay, let us get in and see how the big man in action. And also we'll see how we can sign up for the insider account and how we can get early access to the UiPath products and the features. Let us get into the video. So here is the UiPath Insider portal. Here we can register to the portal or we can log into the portal. So I already have the account, so I can directly log into this particular portal. But if you are not having account with the UiPath Insider, you can get registered with your work email ID. So UiPath Insider will not allow you to sign up with your personal email ID. You need to have a business email ID and then you can register for this. So I'll be clicking on the login as I already have the preview account. And UiPath Insider will provide you the access to its latest features and the roadmaps so that like we will be up to date with UiPath products. And before they are available in the enterprise, we will get ready with that particular features. And if you see here we have three type of categories: private previews, public previews, and general availability. When we say the general availability, it is already available in your enterprise. And when we say about the public previews, it is available with the community, and private previews will be available only to the people who are subscriber to the insider. And here we go. Wigman, who is going to assist you to build your workflows. So without writing a single line of code, without dragging and dropping of any activities, you can create your workflows by giving your requirement in a natural language. So whatever the requirement is there, you just give that requirement to the Wigman and he will create a workflow to you and you can just configure your credentials. So that's so easy to build your workflows with the AI powered automation. And when we say the public preview, it doesn't require any registration, but here it is in private preview. So you need to register for this. For that, you can go to this registration link and you can sign up for that. And UiPath team will provide you access to any of these features. So I already signed up or registered for this Wigman. And if you see here, this highlight button will not be available for you unless and until you get access to this. And these previews will be given to you to explore, test, and provide the feedback and suggestions to UiPath team in order to improve this. And here we can write our general text and it will create, Wigman will create a workflow to you and he will give it to you. So let me write, upload the file to OneDrive from Google Drive file is available. Let me give a random text. It is not like proper sentenced or totally framed. So I just gave some random word. Sometimes it may or may not be available, able to create the Wigman because it's still under the testing phase and with the very limitations. But here we go. We got the flow created and the trigger is based on a new file is added to the Google Drive and it will download the file and it will upload the same file to OneDrive. So even if it is not properly framed, it could able to give you the workflow. Click on accept. So my workflow is got created. So what all I need to do is I'll just need to click on the connect to the Google Drive. I need to select the folder and I just need to select the folder where I need to upload. And I just need to configure my OneDrive account. So only thing what I need to do is I just need to make the configurations and all the workflow or the activities will be automatically done by the Wigman. So it's not necessary for you to know whether the activity is available or not, or which activity needs to be dragged and dropped, or whether it needs to be a manual trigger, or whether we have a trigger or not. So everything will be taken care by the Wigman. And what all you need to do is you just need to configure your settings. And let us suppose I gave a wrong text. Sync OneDrive and Google Drive for files. So this is not giving a very clear-cut idea, right? So sorry, I'm typing here. So I'll be typing here. Click on run. Let us see what it is going to give. Because this is not defining any proper statement. It's loading. So it could not able to generate your workflow, and it is asking you to refine your description because the description, whatever we are giving, is not specific to any of the workflow. So now let us do one thing. You have a Zoom meeting and you have the recording and you want to send that to your Slack or a Teams. Send the Zoom meeting recording on Teams. Let us write Teams. I'm not sure whether we have the Teams plugin or not. So I'm just writing it off. See here, when the Zoom meeting ends, get the Zoom meeting recording and send the recording on Teams. Click on accept. What all I need to do is I need to connect to my Zoom account and I just need to connect to Teams. So which means the Teams activity is not available. So let me come back. I'll just take the same description and I'll refine this workflow. So going further, there is in a pipeline also, even for the next activities also, we can use the Wigman. Now the Wigman is like only for the creation of the projects, but going further, we are going to get the Wigman for updating the existing workflow, appending the new activities to the workflow. Let me write, send Zoom recording to Slack after meeting is after recording is available. Click on enter. Even the spelling mistakes is also fine. So here is our Slack. When you click on accept, the workflow is ready. So we just need to configure, connect to that particular application, and all your workflow is ready. Hope you like the Wigman, and probably it will be available by April of 2024. That was the expected release to the enterprise. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Paths Academy.